Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to share with you the secret step index strategy to grow a small account as a trader. All right, so if you are a small trader, this is how you want to trade. Use step index. Okay, this is how you want to be trading step index to grow your small account. So you're going to be trading from the overbought and the oversold region, and we're going to be using trend lines as well, right? So we're going to be using trend lines and the moving averages with MACD, right? So you see that these indicators have been set into my chart. So what I'm going to do is to show you how you can do this right now. What you see here is a sell and here is a buy. Normally these are the basics, right? But first let's start with the trend lines. Okay, on the trend line, you draw your trend. I like using this one right here, this first one. Okay, so you want to take it from the tip of the trade. Okay, the tip right here. You see this point, this is the green line, this green candle. Okay, you see this thin edge, you take it and you draw it closer to the last trend line before the red. Okay, when you are on a position like this, first what you want to do, you take it from the tip, you draw it across the line. Okay, across the line. Okay, so this is how you draw your trend line perfectly. So let it touch the other one, a very soft touch. Perfect, perfect. So this is breakout. Okay, this is the breakout structure, so this is how I call it. So when you draw a trend line from that tip, once this green candle break below, okay, it has to break out. When it break below this trend line, it's going to sell. That is a perfect opportunity for a sell. Once you just see that it has broken down, it's a sell signal, a very powerful sell signal. And if you want to get a buy opportunity, what you need to do is to draw the trend line again from the top of the red line right here. You draw it, let it touch the last one right here. Okay, so what we're seeing is a buy opportunity. Take a look at it. This is a buy opportunity for this trade, this live trade. This is a buy opportunity. Okay, we saw right here it sold, then it break out and it gave us a buy, a very perfect buy opportunity. If you want to see a sell opportunity, then you take it from the bottom. Okay, you take it from the bottom. If you want to see a sell opportunity, you take it, let it cross. So when there's a breakout, you see there was a breakout, a sell opportunity. I hope you understand what I'm saying, guys. The market right here, we drew it and it broke out and it gave us a buy. We drew it again from the bottom of the green candle, is giving us a sell entry. So you see there was a sell right here. It got to this point, it retested upwards and it broke out and there was another sell. It got to this point, it retested upwards again, it broke out and it's giving us another sell. This is a perfect entry opportunity for you to trade step index and make profit and grow your small account using this same strategy that I'm showing you guys. So we're not talking about a candle, like we're not talking about the hammer pattern candle, we're not talking about liquidity region. I'm just showing you trend line strategy. I'm going to get on to the indicators real quick. Right, first you want to confirm your entry before placing a trade on your 1 minute time frame. You go to the higher time frame, like the 1 hour time frame. When you go to the 1 hour time frame, what we see here is that this market is selling, right? The market right here has bought, so meaning the next line should be a sell, right? The next line should be a sell and the market is selling at this point. Check out, you see a very big sell opportunity. Take a look at the profit. I just draw it from this place and is giving us a sell already. You can see how you can make profit and grow your small account on Stepindex and make profit from this trade, right? So now, how do we use these indicators? When you're using this indicator, the MACD and the RSI, we're using the basics, the overbought and the oversold. That is if you want to be using just the indicators alone. So what you do is you wait until the MACD gets to this point of 90. When it touches the region of the RSI, you place a sell, it's going to sell. When it touches the level of 10, it's going to buy. You see, it's going to buy a very buy opportunity. You can see it bought until this point right here. Okay, it gets to a level of 90, you place a sell, you take profits. This is massive, guys, massive profits. And not just this alone. If you're trading using just the indicator, you need to also know where price is in the market. You need to know where price is in the market. You zoom out, you check the region of where price is, right? You check the region for where price is. As you can see, perfect opportunity for a sell. You can see at the very big sell. The market sold from this point downwards to this point. See the massive profit when it gets to this level of 90. So this is how you can make massive profit. You can grow your small accounts on Stepindex using this perfect strategy, trend lines, and the MACD, right? So I'm going to show you the setup for the MACD so that you can know how to put these parameters on your trade. So for the indicator setup, the moving averages I use period on 200, shifts 0, the method is exponential, the levels is I didn't add any levels, while the style is on 2 pixel, the color is purple, and it's on the first trend line. Then done. Then for the RSI, period on 14, apply it to close, the level 90 and 10, then I added sell at this point and buy at this point. Then 2 pixels, black color, and trend line on the middle. Then do style, 2 pixel, color blue, right? Then the trend line is the straight line, then you click on done. And for the MACD indicator, the fast EMA on 12, slow EMA 26, while the MACD SMA on 9, right? Then you apply to close. The main color is black on 2 pixel. The signal is red on 2 pixel, while we're using the first trend line, which is this one right here, the first trend line. Then we click on done, right? So this is the perfect strategy for you to trade and grow your small account on Stepindex, right? You can grow your small account on Stepindex using this awesome strategy that I've just shared with you guys. Now for a quick one, guys, just to remind you that this strategy is working perfectly. If you take the trend line right here from this down upwards, you can see that there was a breakout. This is the breakout. Take a look. There was a breakout here and the market sold. I told you that whenever there's a breakout, the market is going to sell on Stepindex. Same thing as here, there was a breakout below this black trend line, the market sold. Okay, and if you take the trend line from the top, if the buy candle, which is the bearish candle, breaks through the trend line, the market is going to buy. But before you try this, always go to the 1 hour time frame to confirm your entries if you are a 1 minute trader. Okay, so I believe after watching this video, you now understand how to trade Stepindex using this strategy that I just shared with you guys to grow your small accounts, right? So if you find this video helpful and you really enjoyed this video, do it to like and subscribe to this channel, the Daily Forex, for more awesome trading strategy. I will see you guys on the next video.